morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Gabriel, Engineer Gabriel, University of Nairobi here in Kenya here in Africa. I'm doing my Masters in Mechanical Engineering. So it is a powerful university, it is very competent, and how I wish everyone can come and explore more from this University of Nairobi. So here, we are going to show you something about testing. Here we have what we call non-destructive testing. What is testing? What is evaluation? What is checkup? What is control? So in every department, in every area, in every field, we do checking. Now we are for specifically here in mechanical, we are going to do what we call non-destructive testing. Because there are also those destructive testing. Non-destructive testing is that testing you do as you are checking material and you don't damage the sample or the material. But destructive testing, you do testing and the sample being destroyed. As I was saying, non-destructive testing is the testing you do. It has different types: visual, ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle, dye penetrant, radiography. We are going to see a lot. In visual inspection, this is the one we are going to do by now. And for the next videos, we shall look at every type of non-destructive testing. We have a lot, but we are going to try like 5 of them. So today we are going to start with visual inspection. So, are you excited? Me, I'm excited to do visual inspection. Some people can say, but why visual? Now visual inspection is that inspection you do by vision. You know visual inspection. Here we have different tools that you can use for visual inspection. So visual, you can use raw human sense, like vision, like hearing, like touching, like smelling, so that you check defect. But also, we have those digital components, like drone, technological drones. You see drones can scan because of different purpose. So visual inspection is not limited on just vision, touching, smelling. It is also advanced drone technology so that you can scan wherever you want. So this is visual inspection. So here I have some tools. This is a torch so that you can check inside. These are magnifying object. When a crack is very small, you are able to check or to zoom it. We have different lenses, we have different components. So let's go. You see like this metal tube. And here, what we are going to check is welding condition. You see, this is a welding condition. This metal tube, when you want to inspect it, this external inspection, you can see a lot of defect. I can see what we call porosity. You see, I can see what we call some porosity. We have incomplete fusion. We have incomplete fusion, we have reinforcement, so we have a lot of defect on this tube. So as a mechanical engineer, when you are especially in aviation industries or in where we have pressure vessels and different tubes, we check using visual because you know where we have leakage of pressure, it can cause a lot of problems. So visual inspection, for external, we can use our naked eyes, but when you go internally, we have different tools. You see, this is a torch. We have a torch so that you can check defect inside. You see, we have incomplete welding, incomplete fusion. We have different flows we have spatters inside. So when the press is so much deep, we can use magnifying object to check different defect, and we can send torch there. As we will continue in this process, we will see how in different holes where there is a lot of temperature, we send there some robotics to go and check for us. And also for visual inspection, you can use image processing softwares, so that you take an image, you put in a processing software, and you analyze the behavior of flaw or defect. So these are magnifying objects. You can use them, like you can use this one. When you don't see crack clearly, you can use magnifying object. You see, I can see porosity. I can see different unseen cracks just by using visual. So, thank you friends. This is the video that's showing visual inspection. And wherever you are going, either in industries, aviation press, high pressure vessels press, different storage tanks, you can use visual inspection to check whatever you want. And the technology beyond visual inspection, this inspection has started in 18th century, where they discovered or invented visual inspection so that we reduce defect. And it is not all about defect. After finding defect, you have to go to another department that needs to handle those defects so that our component can stay wrong. So today we had visual inspection, and hope for the next video we are going for dye penetrant testing. So thank you friends. For any ideas, for any comment, for any knowledge, you can put in a comment so that we share as we move in technology. Yeah, we keep on sharing, because as engineer of these days, we cannot allow to see mistakes happening in this world, because the world engineer is there to serve community. We don't want a world with problems. So thank you so much. This is Gabriel from University of Nairobi. I would like to tell you to wait for the next video. Thank you so much.